Hello, my name is Brad Lamars and I am the inventor of the hose swivel described in my patent application. The original intent of the patent application was to secure protection to make a connector between any spray nozzle and a garden hose. There are currently connecting products that rotate but do not swivel. Here is an example of one that's currently on the market. You can see it rotates but it does not swivel. Also, ball and socket swivel technology that currently exists and is used in many applications. Here's an example of the swivel being used in a kitchen faucet application. You can see the swiveling action, how it rotates. However, there are no nozzle to hose connector swivels. After many attempts to find the necessary parts to make a hose swivel connector, I was finally able to make a working prototype. This is the prototype. Here's your male end, here's your female end, and here's the swivel ball section. As you can see, there is high flexibility in this application. This is the swivel connector I was able to make out of parts that are currently available at retail. The center swivel section is a high pressure air swivel that had to be cut and modified to fit into the male garden hose fitting, and the female fitting is the only one that I found that could thread onto the existing air pressure swivel. Once I assembled the hose swivel and tested it, I found out that it achieved all the desired results for the maneuverability that I wanted. At that time, I proceeded to contact an attorney to start preparing for a patent application. Once the application receipt was confirmed, I made a few more for my friends to use. Their response was the same as mine, and they were very impressed with the additional flexibility that it gave them in their use. The prototype I built is only to prove function and not final design. I need to meet with a design engineer to optimize the size of the ball and socket to increase the water flow and to increase the range of motion. I believe the final product will be made entirely out of plastic polymers, and the female fitting would be designed as part of the swivel assembly rather than an attachment. I believe my idea is novel and reflects the use of current technologies in a totally new application. Garden hose attachments have been around since garden hoses were created. To the best of my knowledge, in all those years there's never been a garden hose connector that has swiveling action. I respectfully request some form of patent protection be given so I can begin the manufacturing process without the fear of another company copying my idea and producing a similar product. The consumer will make the final determination whether this is a good or bad idea. Thank you very much for your time and consideration.